This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Roble. Welcome to the beautiful Venetian Golf and River Club, a maintenance-free community. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home offers expansive views of the preserve and partial golf course view. The open concept floor plans have pocketing sliders to expansive lanai to enjoy the sunsets and entertain your guest. All 3 bedrooms have newly updated engineered wood flooring. The master suite has a French door to the lanai, walk-in closet, master bath with dual sinks, new quartz counters, and new tiled shower. The kitchen with granite counters, stainless appliances and pantry is open to the family room with crown molding, and tray ceiling. The laundry room has built-in cabinets and utility sink. The Venetian Golf and River Club features many fine amenities that include an 18-hole championship golf course, heated resort-style pool and lap pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, 6 Har-Tru tennis courts, fine dining at the River Club, and a 70-acre nature park nestled along the Myakka River. All of this within a short drive to the best Gulf Coast beaches, shopping and downtown Venice. For more information, review the details below.